Hey everyone, welcome to Simplified by Singham. Welcome back to our CustomTkinter series. In the last few episodes, we learned how to use buttons, labels, scrollable frames, text boxes, and even radio buttons. So, step by step, we have been building up our toolkit for making beautiful GUIs in Python. And today we are adding another really cool widget which is the combo box and this is that drop down menu you see everywhere in applications where you can pick one option from the list. So let's start with a simple example and here we will create a combo box with two options and print out whichever option the user clicks on. So as always import CustomTkinter. So first let's create our main window. So set up main window. So app equal to CustomTkinter dot CTK and then app dot geometry. Let's give 400 by 300 for now. And app dot title basic combo box example. And then you create the combo box and just give combo box CustomTkinter.CTkComboBox and you can just give values, two options. Let's just give option 1 and option 2. And now you're going to place it ComboBox.pack using pack. And let's just give pad y equal to 20. And now let's see the combo box by doing app.main loop. So I see two options. One is option 1 and option 2. But when you're selecting it, it is selecting, it is working, so perfect. But let me change the theme. So app.geometry, no, configure. Let's change the color white. And here, text color change to black. And also change the foreground color. Now it looks good. So far, so good. For me, it's good. Okay, it's so smooth if you observe. So that is the difference between the custom Tkinter and the basic Tkinter. Okay. But whenever I select one option, I want to see that I want to get that option value and I want to see it as output in my prompt, command prompt. In my terminal, I can say that. And in my terminal, I can say, like, in order to see the prompt, like, whatever the option, in order to get the value, whatever the option user choose, In order to get the value that is being picked by the user, then we can do something like, let's create a function. Maybe this is all about the designing part, right? Here we'll write the logic. So let's create a function called ComboBox callback. So in order to get the choice, and just print ComboBox drop down clicked, and let's show the choice. And you're going to connect that function using the command equal to ComboBox callback. And whenever the user selects the option, we are going to see that in our terminal as output. Like for example, I choose this option, ComboBox drop down clicked option 2. And when I want to select this one, ComboBox drop down clicked option 1. Okay, it's good. And now what if I want to set the default value? If you observe, the default value is option 1, right? In order to set the default value, you just have to do combobox.set and just give option 2 here. And that will be the default value. See, option 2 is the default one. And you can select option 1, and yeah, that's how you can change it. Okay. So what's happening here? So these values is where we give the drop down list, option 1 and option 2. And this command, ComboBox callback, tells it which function to run when we pick something. So this is the function. So it will print us the output of the choice that user selected. And then this dot set option 2 just sets the default value at the start itself, at the beginning itself. So if you run this code, you will see a drop down, and when you select something, it prints the choice in the console. Okay, that's cool, but sometimes we want to control the value ourselves or maybe change it later in the code. For that, we use a string var variable, and let me show you how. So let's create a string var. So creating a string var. So combo box, let's give it combo box var. Let's give CustomTkinter dot string var. And let's give the value for now option 2. Okay. And here we will link that string var to our combo box. How? So here we will attach variable equal to combo box variable, which is this one. And then instead of combo box dot set, you will do combo box var dot set. Instead of option 2, we will change it to option 1. Here, initially the combo box variable, the string var value is option 2, and we are changing it to option 1, okay, by using the dot set, and let's run it. So what you'll be thinking the output now? You will see option 2 as the default one or the option 1 as the default one. Pause at this moment and just imagine what's going to happen and just comment down and now check what's happening here. So when you run it, you see option 1 as the default option, though you have kept option 2 as the first value, because dot set will obviously change the default value to option 1 from option 2. So here, instead of just getting the combo box directly, we created a string var. So this acts like a container that stores the value. And now both the combo box and the variable are linked, right? So if you change the variable dot set using this dot set, the drop down updates too. So you can basically use stringvar as a container if you want to change the values dynamically according to the application situation. So if you want to change that particular value at that particular time, doing like after some action, then you can do this. Then you can definitely use the stringvar. It's a really good way to change the values, especially during the runtime. So this is how we can use the string var. You just have to connect the string var using the variable attribute in the combo box. And yeah, this is how you can use string var. And now, of course, you can customize the combo box a lot. You can change the colors, fonts, corner radius, and you can make it read only, or even update its drop down values later using dot configure, values. And if you want the current value at any time, you can just call dot get. So that's the CTK combo box in CustomTkinter. So yeah, that's the CTK combo box in CustomTkinter. It's pretty simple and but very useful, and we can now make drop down menus. So that's the CTK combo box in CustomTkinter. Pretty simple but very useful. We can now make drop down menus for things like themes, settings, categories in our applications. And in the next video, we will continue exploring more CustomTkinter widgets so that we can build a complete project together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon.